Rainbow Glossary!
Grow with Glossary Series 1 Episode 4. Seedling Germination. How does a seed grow? Can a seed grow without water? Or which grows first, the root or the leaf? Let's find out. Germination is the process where a seed grows into a new plant. Let's try this experiment at home for this. You will need dry beans like rajma or chana, soft cotton, water and a transparent bowl or cup. Now first steps is to soak the beans overnight and place them in wet cotton. Third, keep them in a warm place. Lastly, watch every day and don't let the cotton dry. Wow moment is here. Tiny white roots pop out first. Then a baby stem starts growing upward. From a tiny seed to a big plant, that's the magic of germination. Try this experiment at home. Thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe for more fun science. Seedling germination. How does a seed grow? Thinking face, can a seed grow without water? Question mark. Which grows first, the root or the leaf? Let's find out. Germination is the process where a seed grows into a new plant. A seed is like a sleeping baby plant sleeping. When it gets water, air, and warmth, it wakes up and starts growing. Seedling test tube. Try this experiment at home. You will need beans, dry beans like rajma or chana, roll of paper, soft cotton, droplet water jar, a transparent bowl.